Hello Lord of the Rings Hobbit fans and fellow YouTubers, Alpha Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel. Today I have another statue I'd like to show you, and it is the Haradrim soldier from Lord of the Rings here. And this is from Return of the King. And hope you guys enjoy this. Let's get right into this. And I got this statue again from Ben Chink. And thank you, Ben. And let me show you right up. Oh, and then we have the art box right up at the start here. This is front. If you want to pause that, you can zoom in and then see what it reads there. And this is the Haradrim soldier. So I think this is an underrated statue. I really like this one, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's open it right. And these Haradrim soldiers are at the part, I believe, when Frodo and Sam and Gollum are on the, just trying to think here, while I open this. Where they're crouched down and they see the mummicle, like the oliphants, and they see them walking through, and then that's where Farmer and his crew start firing arrows at the Haradrim soldiers. Ooh, nice. So far, so good. Just this off to the side here. It still has the pretty much standard base with the map, as you can see here. Oh, that way. Pretty cool. And this is number, I think that's 1462 of 4,000, and it is sculpted by John Chaney. I'll show you that. Very, very cool. And then let's grab the Haradrim soldier here very carefully. He looks pretty cool. Oh yeah, ooh, this is cool. And this is from Sideshow Weta. Very cool statue. I've eyed him for quite a while. I think that's just from looking like it's weird. Yeah, really cool. This is really, really nice. And the peg is over there. Pegs in just like that. Nice and simple. I like it when the pegs just work out just perfectly. Don't have to twist or whatever, and they fit it, and you're not trying to jiggle it or whatever. Really, really cool. Yeah, this is really a nice statue here. And it's packing. Oh, I see. And he's got stabbed by one of the swords there. Oh, I'll show you in the close-ups here what happened here. So, yeah, overall, this is a nice statue from Sideshow Weta. This is pretty cool. So I'm going to show you some close-ups of this now. And this is a very cool piece. Let's show you some close-ups now. So you can see here, really cool piece. Don't mind the ice going through the ice machine. As you heard in the background. But yeah, you can see on his travels, very cool piece. All his armor and his clothing. You can see he got stabbed in the back. You can see on the red on the tip of his on the sword there where he got stabbed, and the sword's right through his torso. But his armor, like, look at this. This is pretty darn cool. Clothes, and then you can see he probably got stabbed in the leg there, I think. Very cool piece. You can see I love the armor up top here. I can get underneath. Kind of get his portrait. He's just lunged over as if he's being where he got battle damaged. This is really cool. Like all the gold sketching on the outsides there. Pretty cool. And the sword there. And this is an oldie, but just a goldie. And this is, I just find this is an underrated statue. But it is such a cool statue. Very cool. I really like this. This is really nice. You can see the gold edging or plating on his hands and stuff. Like I said, just the oldie, but a goldie. And that is the Haradrim soldier. Very cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of the Haradrim soldier. Comment down below what you guys thought of it. Like and subscribe. Have a great day, and see you guys in the next video. And I still got lots more videos coming as I got more statues coming all the time in more environments. So stay tuned and see you guys in the next video.